we're back and we're doing another craft, and this craft is very cute and fun. It's not necessarily in season because this is literally the weather outside. It's snowy and like 30 degrees. Okay, but anyway, what you'll need, we're making a butterfly that you could hang up on a wall. And then here's what you need for this craft. A clothespin, a black marker, a pink marker, and a marker color of your choice. And then scissors, glue, and tissue paper. So the first step, you're going to take your black marker and draw a little smiley face on the space where you pinch for this to go on something. So yeah, so you draw a little smiley face and two eyes, just like that. It's kind of a derpy smile. And then with your pink marker, you draw two little red rosy cheeks like this. So, yeah. So, the next step is you take your marker by the color of your choice and draw two antennas. I don't know really how to draw antennas. Just like that, I guess. Those want to look like ears. Or you could do like whatever. Just draw little antennas. If you're better at art than me, then good. And then next, you take your scissors and your tissue paper. And if you have this tissue paper, we are going to cut off one square rectangle. I'm gonna cut off one piece rectangle of tissue paper. There we go. Now we're gonna cut it in half. Doesn't really matter if it's not a half. Well, yeah, but just do the best you can. I'm gonna say there's about a half. Now we have two halves. And the next step is roll your tissue paper like this. Like this. And then you can trim up the edges a little bit if it's too long, because this is going to be way too long. And then you can measure it depending on the size of your clothespin. So I'm going to do about like this length, and then maybe a little bit shorter, like this. And then taking your glue on the back, so your front, and then on the back, glue it wherever you want the wings to be. I'm going to do right there. So I'm just going to put it right there. And then I'm going to take another piece, measure it a little bit, chop it up. And then I'm going to do it like a little bit down like that. And so it's basically on top of it. So basically you want to glue like right there. So right there, just a little dab of glue and then put it right there like that. And then this is what it looks like from the front. And then, yeah, that's the craft. And I'll show you how you can hang it up on something. And you can just take it where you would hang it on your cloth and just put it right there. It makes a great decoration. Just like that. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, thumbs up this button for more videos and also subscribe. Thank you. Bye.